Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna walk you through a step-by-step on how to factory reset your Motorola E6 from Boost Mobile, and the model number for this device is XT2005-4. It's a very easy steps to factory reset this device. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. The first two keys you need is to press the power and the volume down key at the same time. Press and keep holding until you get to the screen right here. You want to use the volume down key to scroll down to where it says recovery mode. Then you want to press the power key. It will restart. Then it will take you to a no command screen, and I will show you what to do next. When you get to the screen, you want to press the power key, then press the volume up key to get to this screen right here. Then you want to scroll down to where it says wipe data factory reset, press the power down to yes. Then there's three different options. You want to choose the bottom one and press the power key. It's going to start wiping and formatting the device. Then we're going to do one more thing, is wipe cache partition. Then you want to press the power key down to yes, press the power to confirm. Once it's done, you can go ahead and reboot your device. This is it guys, concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.